Hi there, and welcome to Storytime with Uncle Bill. We're in downtown Jacksonville. It's a little boat ramp they got. Nice little parking lot. I don't know if you can see it. Pretty big. Little visiting center. Got bathrooms. Got a couple little ramps. You can put your boat in. Kayaks. Let me take a quick look at each side. Got a couple benches out here. I'm not real big on you crabbing out here. This is brackish water too. Most of this is fresh water. When you start getting to the right, see the bridge. That's when it starts becoming more salt. This is the new river. Got a nice little boardwalk right here. We'll go right quick through. Right across the street over there is the USO. And that right there, the sheriff's department. I don't even know what they call that. That's the bridge to downtown. Oh, they blocked this off. Oh man, how would you do that? Got all that nice concrete. Probably got a concrete broke. Yep. And then brought that off. Look, you see the water's nice and clear right there. This is a nice spot. Catch some big time fish out here. Mullet, flounder, drum. Those are more the bigger fish. There's even flounder out here. Let me check the other side now. Some nice old trees. There's the moss on it. This wasn't here when I was a kid. This only been here, don't get me lying, probably about 5-6 years. You can see more of the parking lot. This was a great addition. Whoever came up with this, it's a really good idea. Hopefully we'll see a turtle or something. Frog, snake, alligators. There are alligators out here. Just another part of the boardwalk. Is this even considered a boardwalk, or is this a walkway? Ain't much going off on the sides. This is like this little bed frame. See anything over here? Supposed to go meet my buddy Plumber Bill, so hopefully we get a couple videos out here. I'm gonna be honest with you folks, I've been out here quite a few times. I don't know if I've ever caught anything, because I really didn't take the fishing serious. Just is what it is. Let's see. There we go, got a crane. Scared me and I scared him. It have. Man, it'd be cool to see a turtle or alligator right in this spot. crab. Can we get something? Anything? No? Okay. Sure is pretty out here. To be honest with you, I think most of the fish caught out here is underneath those piers. Nice pieces of driftwood. See no animals though. Oh, look at that. That's a nice one right here. Look at the barnacles on it. Alright, well that's what it looks like. It's a ramp across from those kingfish bird right there. This is the boat ramp, Jacksonville, North Carolina, across from the USO. Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. If you can't, hit that like button for me. Share if you can, subscribe if you haven't. Peace.